cars change. Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Hi again, everyone. A good Tuesday night to you. Hope you're able to dodge some of the action here over the last couple of hours. But a good thing, it'll actually knock some of the pollen out of the air, thank goodness, because tree pollen has been high. We drop only down to a 5.1 now based on the latest trends for tomorrow. And then we rocket ship up to almost 11 on Friday. Cool contrast on the skies. We look over toward Oriskany and Route 12. A little blue, a little darkness, and the darkness kind of an indication of some heavier bursts of rain moving through the region. Temps real quick. Westmoreland right now at 78. Prospect has cooled down to 68. Verona at 72. Clayville at 69. But we're still in the lower 80s now. Little Falls, St. Johnsville, and out toward Dolgeville will cool down to 72, though, at Paynes Hollow. We're on the view out further. 79 at Lowville, 74 in Norwich, and 75. We know you're watching from Schoharie County over in Cobleskill. All right, here is the Eyewitness News Doppler radar. On into southern portions of Herkimer County, southern Oneida County. This is going to be tracking just east of Utica in terms of the heaviest rainfall. Meantime, town of Herkimer, the village of Herkimer will get a good burst of rain, some good cloudy ground lightning now. Crossing over Route 12 as you make way north of 365 there, Trenton Way. A good burst of rain, that's up by Old Forge. And then our friends over in Montgomery County, can't leave you guys out as well. Good bursts of rain will track east of Canajoharie over more so as you make your way toward Fonda Fultonville as well as Gloversville. Let's go ahead and we'll broaden the view out. Got a boundary to our north and west is kind of losing its punch because as we make our way back toward mid-country, here's our wave of low pressure here. And this will end up throwing the moisture our way. So we deal with scattered showers, a couple of thunder showers as we head through the next couple of hours. That action diminishes, and then this moisture ends up tracking up toward us on the overnight period. So check out the Futurecast. It doesn't have quite the intensity of what we're seeing right now on the radar, but it gives you a pretty good idea on placement. And watch the trends as everything diminishes as we head toward 10 and 11 o'clock. Now the moisture will track up from the south and southwest as we push through the overnight period. So showers redeveloping after midnight, pretty much after 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning through the pre-dawn, and tomorrow cooler, obviously with the showers and a damp feel to the air, and we continue to see that shower threat heading into tomorrow night. But the big thing now for Thursday is the fact that we'll end up seeing a partly sunny sky, isolated showers, and it looks like we could keep it completely dry for Friday. Forecast overnight lows tonight. A lot of us low in mid-50s in central New York State. Cooler tomorrow. That's it. Highs only 60 to 65. Don't worry, there's some warmer temps on the 7-day forecast. Low tonight, 57. We'll see the action over the next couple of hours diminish before the return of the showers on the overnight period. For tomorrow, showers, cooler, damp, 64. Rest of the extended forecast for Thursday, partly sunny. Isolated showers, not bad, 73. Come Friday, looking good. Partly sunny, nice, 75. Weekend forecast. Showers Saturday, better Sunday. And looking ahead to next week, still the risk of a shower, but at least temps will be in the 70s. Shelby completely spot on. A taste of summer today. We'd like to get back to it again pretty soon. Friday's not looking bad. Back to you, Shelby.
All right, I agree. Thanks, Tim. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News at 6.
News is brought to you by now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Hi again, everyone. Air quality forecast starting off first, obviously, with today. Up to 43 in terms of particulates. Down to 24 as the rain, the showers will kind of clean the air, but we slowly increase and get into the moderate category as we wrap up the work week. The Utica Public Library, there were a few breaks in the clouds earlier this evening as the sun was setting. But again, the clouds will dominate, and the theme of showers coming into play again overnight and through the day on Wednesday. A lot of us in the lower 60s around Utica, up toward Prospect and Gray. We make our way up to the north, and you notice that we're at 61 in Boonville as of last check, but a little bit warmer where we did not have the steadier rain from Lowville toward Tylersville. 62 last check at Cazenovia. 65 at Cooperstown, mid-60s at Sherburne. Satellite weather composite. Again, the showers continue to track to the north, this boundary, in the process of washing out, and there's more moisture lurking. Mid-Atlantic back through the Virginias and through the Ohio and the Tennessee valleys. This area low pressure throwing more moisture our way, which means, yes, the showers come back into play as we push through the overnight period and last through the day. On Wednesday, here is the futurecast showing that increase of moisture coming up from the south and southwest as we push through the next several hours. Showers, it's cooler tomorrow, a damp feel to the air. Still looking at some breaks in the clouds as we head through tomorrow night into the day on Thursday. That means we get some sunshine. That means we're back to a warmer feel to the air, thank goodness, right? But we still cannot rule out the opportunity for some isolated showers. And, well, hey, check out the forecast highs tomorrow. I know you want to see Thursday instead because it'll be warmer. Forecast highs from Otter Lake to Boonville to Inlet to Big Moose in the lower 60s. Near 70, though, as you make way toward Watertown, as the steadiest of rainfall doesn't quite make it all the way through the Tug Hill and toward the St. Lawrence Valley. Across our southern counties, for Otsego, Madison, Chenango counties, a lot of us for highs tomorrow. Low and maybe some mid-60s along I-90 in the Mohawk. 64, a very popular temperature for a high from Little Falls to Verona. Utica, too. Forecasts we head through tonight. The showers will continue to come back into play from the south and southwest, damp but mild, down to 57. For tomorrow, showers, cooler, damp, and yes, in Utica, the forecast high of 64. The rest of the extended forecast shows we look for a partly sunny sky on Thursday. Some isolated showers, a high of 73. Partly sunny on Friday, a high of 75. Kind of a 50-50 weekend on tap, Shelby. Looking at showers on Saturday, a high of 67. And things look a little bit better heading into the first half of next week. Still looks like some disturbances to rotate through the flow, but at least we're going to be seeing partly sunny skies. The risk of a shower and highs low, trending toward the mid-70s. Back to Shelby at the news desk.
All right, thanks, Tim. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News. First at 10, we'll tell you all about RFA's special lacrosse game from earlier.
CNY homepage is Central New York's home for local news that matters. Now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Hi again, everyone. Allergy forecast this 11 o'clock hour showing a 6.8 today. I don't know, for me, the way my allergy symptoms took off today, I think it's higher, but nonetheless, we do get higher Thursday and Friday. 9 plus, almost 11 Thursday and Friday, respectively. Tree pollen is sky high. Ignore the dispersion of light. Yes, wet roadways across the region from our shower action as we've pushed through this evening. And temperatures around Utica to Rome, over toward Verona, Clayville to Cedarville to Schuyler, pretty much in the lower 60s. We broaden the view out. Up north, we haven't quite gotten the steadiest of rainfall up through the Tug Hill. Lavelle at 67. Cooperstown at 65. Cobleskill, rather, also at 65. A little alliteration will always get you. All right, this boundary in the process of washing out. We've got more moisture lurking back to the south and southwest. This area of low pressure here is driving, or if you prefer, throwing the moisture our way. That means the showers come back into play as we head through the overnight period, and most of the day we'll be dealing with the shower action as well. In fact, check it out. The futurecast as we head through tonight shows how that moisture continues to come up from the south and southwest. I actually had the wrong futurecast checked off, but unless you get the general gist. And we look for the showers to continue as we head through the day on Wednesday. Cooler than today, damp as well. And then as we head through tomorrow night into the day on Thursday, some breaks in the clouds here. And we'll continue to incorporate more dry air into the equation on Thursday, which means partly sunny, but still the risk of some isolated showers, and highs on Thursday warmer than what you're going to see here for overnight lows, obviously, but afternoon highs tomorrow. In fact, lows tonight, a lot of us down in the low and mid 50s, and then highs tomorrow. That is it. Did I mention we hit 80 today in Utica? Yeah, low and mid 60s. Be lucky to hit 60 over your way at Lake Pleasant. All right, forecast as we head through tonight. We're looking for the showers come into play around 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, a low down to 57. As we go through the day on Wednesday, we're looking for more in the way of showers. It's cooler than today, and yes, it's damp. A forecast high of 64. Center forecast for Thursday, partly sunny, isolated showers, a high of 73. Partly sunny, nice Friday, high of 75. Kind of a 50-50 weekend with showers on Saturday, 67. Can't rule it out for Sunday, 72. We kind of hold that threat of a shower, but at least we got the sunshine early next week. Back to the news desk with Shelby.
All right, thanks, Tim. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News at 11, 16-year-old Devin Saylor